Welcome to this tutorial on SharePoint Online PowerShell. In this video, you'll learn how to automate SharePoint administration tasks using PowerShell. PowerShell provides a powerful command line interface that makes managing SharePoint sites, users, and permissions much more efficient than using the web interface alone. This is part of our PowerShell Cloud series, where we explore cloud automation with PowerShell. SharePoint Online PowerShell is a command line management tool that allows administrators to automate SharePoint Online tasks. Instead of manually clicking through web interfaces, you can write scripts that perform actions automatically. This is especially useful when you need to manage multiple sites, perform bulk operations, or set up consistent configurations across your SharePoint environment. There are two main PowerShell modules available: the SharePoint Online Management Shell and PnP PowerShell, each offering different capabilities for automation. Let's look at the two PowerShell module options available. First is the SharePoint Online Management Shell, which is the official Microsoft module designed for SharePoint Online administration. It provides CMDlets for managing tenant-level settings, site collections, and user permissions. Second is PnP PowerShell, a community-driven module with extended capabilities. PnP PowerShell offers advanced features including site provisioning, content management, and modern SharePoint functionalities. Many administrators use both modules depending on their specific requirements. Before using SharePoint Online PowerShell, you need to install the module. First, check if it's already installed by running get-module-name microsoft.online.sharepoint.powershell-list available. To install the module, use the command install-module-name microsoft.online.sharepoint.powershell. If you need to update an existing installation, run update-module-name microsoft.online.sharepoint.powershell. Remember to run PowerShell as administrator when installing modules. Once the module is installed, you need to connect to your SharePoint Online tenant. Start by importing the module using import-module microsoft.online.sharepoint.powershell. Then connect to your tenant using connect-SPO service with the -URL parameter followed by your admin URL. Replace Contoso with your actual tenant name in the URL. For example, if your organization is Fabricam, use https://fabricam-admin.sharepoint.com. You'll be prompted to enter your admin credentials to authenticate. Now let's explore common site management commands. To retrieve all site collections in your tenant, use get-SPO site. To get information about a specific site collection, use get-SPO site with the -identity parameter followed by the site URL. To create a new site collection, use new-SPO site with parameters including the URL, owner email address, storage quota, and title. To remove a site collection, use remove-SPO site with the -identity parameter and the site URL. These commands form the foundation of SharePoint site management. User and permission management is crucial for SharePoint administration. To view all users of a specific site, use get-SPO user with the -site parameter. To add a user to a SharePoint group, use add-SPO user specifying the site URL, the user's login name, and the group name. To designate someone as a site collection administrator, use set-SPO user with the -is-site-collection-admin parameter set to true. To remove a user from a group, use remove-SPO user with the site URL, login name, and group parameters. These commands help maintain proper access control. PnP PowerShell provides more comprehensive CMDlets for advanced SharePoint operations. It's particularly useful for site provisioning, content management, and accessing modern SharePoint features that aren't available in the standard management shell. To install PnP PowerShell, simply run install-module-name pnp.powershell. To connect to a SharePoint site using PnP, use connect-PnP online with the -URL parameter followed by your site URL. PnP PowerShell is actively maintained by the community and receives frequent updates with new features. Let's look at some practical PnP PowerShell examples. To retrieve all tenant sites, use get-PnP tenant site. This provides comprehensive information about every site in your organization. To create a new list, use new-PnP list with the -title parameter and the -template parameter specifying the list type. To retrieve tenant configuration settings, use get-PnP tenant. To apply a site design to a SharePoint site, use invoke-PnP site design with the identity parameter for the design ID and web URL parameter for the target site. PnP PowerShell offers hundreds of CMDlets for virtually any SharePoint task. Let's recap the key takeaways from this tutorial. You now understand that there are two main PowerShell module options: the SharePoint Online Management Shell for basic administrative tasks, and PnP PowerShell for advanced operations and modern features. PowerShell automation provides significant benefits, including the ability to perform bulk operations, maintain consistent management practices, and save considerable time when administering SharePoint environments. Remember to always test your scripts in a development environment before running them in production. With practice, you'll master SharePoint automation with PowerShell. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.